If you're wondering how to create a PowerPoint presentation design like the one you see here, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest content notifications. First, change the background color. Here, I am choosing a very light color. Insert a rounded corner rectangle. Increase the corner radius as much as possible. Remove all outlines. Change the background color to white. Apply an inner shadow from the effects section. Increase the blur a bit more. Here we want another rectangle. Follow the previous steps for it. Place it on top of the previous rectangle. Align it to the center. Apply a dark gray color. Now, insert a symmetric circle. Duplicate it. Reduce the size. Move it to the top of the bigger circle. Combine both shapes. Apply a color of your choice. Then remove all outlines. As the next step, add a new circle. Duplicate it. Select one circle, remove the outlines, change the color to white, then add an inner shadow as well. Arrange both circles as in the video. Group both circles. Place it in the left corner on the rectangle bar. Duplicate it 5 times. Align the same gap between each shape as in the video. Change the color of each inner circle. Then duplicate the bigger circle 5 times. Change the color and remove the outlines. Arrange them as in the video. Select all shapes. Go to the Effect option, add a reflection effect. Insert a line shape. Change the color to black. Combine both circles with a line. From the Scribble tool, draw a random shape to show like both circles and lines are tight. Make sure to apply black color for it. Copy and paste it on the other 4 shapes as well. Add content for each shape. Then group particular shapes and content as a single unit. Finally, select the first group. Go to the Animation tab, apply the fly-in animation. Change direction from left to right. Using the animation painter, apply the same animation for the other 4 groups as well. For the last 2 groups, the animation direction is right to left. Click on the animation pane. Select all animations. Right-click and go to the timing option. Increase the duration by 1 second. In the Effect tab, increase the bounce end by 0.37 seconds. This output will surprise your audience. Thanks for watching my video.